I just want to know right now, this is Chad's car right here. See this guy right here? Chad's car. Yet,
get down there, and like
random girl is putting on the tire.
Hold on, like that.
And we have Scott Williams over here taking pictures of
Alright, everybody trying to look at me. Say,
there's something wrong with this whole situation. That's all I gotta say.
St. A's?
No, okay, what are you going to say?
What year?
What do you guys?
On the highway.
You guys don't live on a highway.
Dude, we just came
Yeah,
from
we
the
live
St.
right off the highway.
Yeah, Dave and Chris Malio.
The city.
Mike Corona, Greenhouse.
Wow.
Alright,
You guys
the Greenhouse kids.
paper and a pen.
Mike Corona, fucking Dimas, Luke Corby.
Any trouble whatsoever.
All those kids.
I have a couch. I
That
swear
has
to God, 4 couches.
You see what I'm doing?
Trying to get butts or
See that?
fucking
You guys should take lessons. See this?
Shit. In a non-sexual way, because you guys
Now,
help
what's
me
your
out.
assumption?
You guys ever need this?
Yeah, it's like it's
Where do you live?
I will chew you up. I live in Everett. It's right around the corner for you. I'm telling you. I can help you guys out. I live in an apartment in Everett. You guys need help. Just let me know.
Do you have good books?
Lacrosse, I know lacrosse players,
No idea.
and got to graduation.
I have more books than you guys know what to do.
If I swept into your house, all you'd be like, you gotta read this book.
No, I
And
wouldn't.
he'd be like, yo, there's
It's
a
all
leak,
about
there's a leak in my oil.
You know what I have?
What do you have?
I got a fucking 52-inch flat screen in my house.
Awesome.
With fucking
Look at this girl. She is a
52-inch flat
fucking
screen.
champ.
Direct TV. You can watch as many channels as you want.
Whoa.
What do you think of this whole situation
And
here?
I have a
I think it's pretty fucking funny. You know what? Oh, alright. I have to say.
You guys need a place to burn.
Table 15? Yeah, table 15.
Non-sexual.
Right here. Table
This is gonna happen. I swear to God.
Leanne, alright, I know you wanted, I know you wanted all the fucking stupid shithead drunk kids at table 15, and it happened, because guess what, we're changing a fucking tire at 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, we are.
Now,
Leanne,
how exactly did this
Alright,
happen?
where's Corby, where's Shanahan,
Look at my
where's
nipples.
fucking O'Leary's, that's all I have to say.
Good night.